Hello friends, welcome to our channel Father
and Son Life Stories.
So as you have been seeing that we are on streak to make a lot of food at home. Today we're going to show you how to make a fabulous and hi-fi chikanji or Neembu Pani. It's not a regular Neembu Pani, it's going to be a different exotic one. So for that, let's see what all things we need.
So what we need for chikanji is fresh mint, jaljeera, lemon or lime, sugar, hing, black salt, roasted cumin ground, and ice.
Yes.
And water.
Of course. And so first of all, what we're gonna do is to make the exotic. First, let's put all the mint leaves, okay, and we'll take our spoon out and then cut the wedges of the lime like this, okay. Now you must be surprised what we're gonna do with this one. This generally is not easy. So what we're gonna do is we cut it into small pieces, right? And this is the secret that you will see in a bit. Okay. Now we'll put. So what we're gonna do? We'll put this here, right? And then we're gonna muddle it. So what happened with the muddling is the essential oils that are in the skin and in the mint, it comes out. It makes it very, very refreshing. All right. So now we're gonna put sugar. Okay. So we'll muddle the sugar along with that. It will help absorb all the essential oils, flavors that has come from lemon and fresh mint. Okay. Now we'll put water. Okay, enough for now. And we'll just rotate with the help of muddler. We're just gonna mix the sugar. It's gonna take a couple of minutes. So alright, now sugar has been fully dissolved, so we'll add rest of the water. And you can always adjust the sugar, salt and lime as per your taste. If you like a balanced one, then I think this much sugar is enough. If you like a little more sugary, you can add more sugar. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut another lime half and so we're gonna squeeze it and then gonna put another one.
It's starting to look kind of like chikanji.
And sometimes it depends on how sour is the lemon or lime. Then based on that, you may need less or more. Okay, so now next thing is we have to do is put little bit of hing, very little. That's enough.
And mix it.
And it's so fragrant. And black salt. Okay, and then Bana jeera or roasted. And now we're gonna add jaljeera powder. You can take off any brand. I like Jalani jaljeera, although this is not sponsored. And now we'll mix it well. So we'll mix it all well once again. Good job, Atharva. All right, I think looks like we can add a little bit of more water. And now it's time to pour ice. Go.
So now it's time to taste test the chikanji. 10 out of 10. Perfect sugar, perfect lime, perfect balance of everything. So it's a 10 out of 10. You should go try it out. yourself at home.
All right. Looks like Atharva has passed the shikanji test. And don't forget to try this at home and tell us how it came out to be. And thank you so much for watching. So what do you say, Atharva, at the end?
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and comment on how you thought the video was.
All right. Thank you.